Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect to your card bank. First, you'll want to understand the benefits of linking your bank account, which often include easier transfers and payments. Next, gather your bank account and routing numbers. These are essential for the connection. Finally, ensure you have secure internet access, as this process is typically done online for your safety and convenience. Once you're ready, log into your card bank's online portal or mobile app using your credentials. Look for a section often labeled Link Bank Account, Funding, or Transfers. This is where you'll initiate the connection. From the options provided, select your external bank. If your bank isn't listed, you might need to manually enter the details, which we'll cover next. Now, carefully enter your bank account and routing numbers into the designated fields. Double-check these details for accuracy, as even a single incorrect digit can cause delays or failed transactions. After entering the information, you'll typically be prompted to review and agree to the terms and conditions for linking accounts. Read them thoroughly before proceeding to the next step. The final step usually involves a small deposit verification process. Your card bank will send one or two small deposits, often under $1, to your external bank account. You'll then confirm these amounts in your card bank's portal. This verification can take 1 to 3 business days. Once confirmed, your bank account is successfully linked, and you can begin using it for transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.